team.
I'd been trying for 7 years to win the Drivers' Championship, and there becomes quite a lot of pressure after that amount of time.
Being world champion 2 years ago or even 1 year ago, we were like, wow, maybe we'll never achieve that.
What an absolutely sensational season.
Yeah, we went from nowhere to the top.
They had a plan. Year by year, we were getting closer to what we wanted to achieve.
All want to be world champion. We are all working in the same direction.
When you reach the top, it's very, very difficult to stay there for a long time.
This is a long adventure. We had to build it, we had to believe in it.
It's a title deciding in September as the lights go out and we go racing, away we go. And a good start from Robin Freins off the start of the front row of the grid.
Season 7, Season 8, we were at the bottom of the ranking. Oliver was a great talent, and he could only grow and become stronger and stronger. And Nissan could not retain him.
I was sad. It wasn't something that anybody really wanted, but there was kind of a culmination of different scenarios.
No.
There was a part of me that was excited to try something else.
I arrived at the end of season 8, where the team was still very small. At that time, it was a difficult time. They were not winning races and, of course, championships.
We entered in this loop where in Season 7 and Season 8, performance was not there, and then you try to push hard, and so you are more exposed to mistakes. It's a really negative circle, if you want.
Rome, Season 8. I think this is the illustration of where we were at that time. The two cars crashing together, both cars finishing out of the point. This is the most difficult thing, to know that you do so much effort but you are powerless. We finished the season with 36 points, which is nothing.
So we were in this season, the worst moment if you look at from the sporting result perspective. We put together a plan where we identified very clearly which were the weaknesses of the team and why we were in that position in the championship. Then we start to hire international talents.
They were building the team with new people and with young people. I have a limited amount of knowledges in terms of tire performance engineer, tire modeling, and so on. It was a gamble for them, for sure.
The choice of attracting one rookie driver and one driver which had no seat the season before was a decision in line with the DNA of the team. We are different, we know that. We do things differently, and it works. That's Defy the Ordinary.
So Defy the Ordinary means dare to do things that others do not.
We wanted to make this team win in a Nissan way.
Just give it to me, like, how are you feeling right now?
I am fucking excited.
The first successful race was definitely Cape Town.
Fenestras has got a good lap incoming here.
This contributed to bring hope.
First pole position for me and for the team. It's been a while, and let's keep on going like this, and now the race is the most important.
In the race in Cape Town, despite his lack of experience in Formula E, was very close to finish to the podium in third position.
Scenario 2, check soft paddle, please.
And then we had the podium in Rome. And that podium with Norman was really amazing. It was a strong evidence of the positive changes that I could see from the inside. And this is where we start thinking, okay, next season we'll start to be on this place more often.
When Oliver came back, he came back with a lot of ambition, but with a lot of humility as well. We didn't know what was his level at the time.
The team gave me another opportunity to come back, and I'm super proud to be able to put in some performances like that, and hopefully we can finish it off later.
Yeah, show me what you got there.
Trophy.
Season 10 was already when The second season of Nissan Formula E team, where the team was much better. We showed this already in the second half of season 9, but in season 10 we start to be stronger as a team. The car was still not at the top, but the team being stronger already started to make a difference. And Oliver came and started to be on the podium quite soon.
We'd had like 2 difficult races with no points on either car. For me, that was like the perfect time to give the energy to the team. Everybody needed it, myself included. And then we just went on an unbelievable run until now, really. Yeah, so that's the second place in Tokyo. Every time I watch the video after the race of Tommaso, he's jumping around. And yeah, I don't think I'm the best for his health.
The public was all for Nissan.
All the big bosses, I think, will be pretty happy with what they've seen, so yeah.
And that feeling to be on the podium in Japan was probably the best feeling in season 10, that we could beat only with a win.
It's a good race. I keep saying I don't think I can do better.
Probably the highlights of season 10 is easy to say the win in London, the last race. The team grew a lot and was super strong. Oliver was at his best shape.
The Drivers' Championship was really on our radar for season 11.
With the new car coming for season 11, we entered the season full of confidence. The plan sounds almost something corporate, like being at the top, being credible contender. But then you have these sub-objectives, like winning in Tokyo, because it's our home race, winning in Monaco, because Monaco is Monaco, winning in Mexico, because the presence of Nissan in Mexico is super strong. And season 11, we did all of them.
We did, I think, 7 podiums. We won 2 races. I think without the bad start to the season, and I also missed 2 races through illness, I could have been double world champion by now.
And then the second half of the season came.
Here is Oliver Rowland. He is the favourite to win. Oliver Rowland, through turns 3 and 4. Rowland loses a couple of places. What a start for Oliver Rowland. His race comes to an end. Exactly after.
How's the car? Question. Not good.
I crashed coming back through the field, so...
This is an amazing season, and this is exactly the reason why I can see so many upset faces today. The reason why we are very upset is because we are in a very privileged position that is very rare in this sport, that we could have won the championship 4 races in advance.
Yeah, that was a pretty disappointing day, but then the turnaround and the comeback the next day was pretty special.
This is absolutely imperative for Oliver Rowland, who leads Oliver Rowland in front in the Nissan.
When I'm kind of under the pressure, I seem to always come out of the other side.
Oliver, this is Tommaso. You are an amazing comeback, the best comeback in the sport, world champion. And we have a special message for you.
Daddy, you're the world champion!
Oh, thank you. Love you, Lauren.
Most of the team cried at that moment. You just release all the pressure of the season and even more of the free last season.
I saw the workshop in Le Mans, I saw all the hours working at night and you know, all this recruitment of these people joining us, trusting the project.
I think what's quite interesting in Nissan is that even the top of the tree you feel connected to. After every race I have a message, good or bad, saying well done or next time you'll get it. And I think what we have here is like a family environment where they really care about the project in Formula E, and that's really nice.
The fact that the second half of season 11 was not as good definitely helped us to be back with our feet on the ground and to be more humble, to understand that things are not granted.
There are many seasons to come. The confidence is at the top.
We will go for it. We'll go for everything. We want to win again the driver championship, and we want to win the team championship for sure.
For us, especially engineers and everyone else working in the team, not just the drivers, the team's championship is the main one to win because it means that we all won.
We still need to work, we still need to be focused, and it's not just going to come easy.
I see in 5 years what we have been able to achieve. So my view is Formula E is a good story to show that impossible is possible.